Hello and welcome to another update video about the NASDAQ. So NASDAQ is working really well. Yeah, we captured all these three reversal areas on the chart for possible entry and exit points. And we have now just come into that third one here, yeah, which I highlighted as reversal area for this wave 4. So what is the background of it? So anybody who's not yet familiar here with the wave count and with what we're doing, we're looking at the NASDAQ from an Elliott wave point of view. So far, it's been working out really nicely. We currently can see here three waves. 1, 2, 3. And this looks currently like a wave 4, but it's not entirely clear if it is a wave 4. I don't know that, yeah, because it could also become a wave 2. This is always possible. Until a wave is complete, the wave can evolve to something different. And therefore it is oftentimes, or it can be so important that we are waiting here for the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a higher time frame to complete before we will then move down in an A, B, C pattern in a wave 2 and then start the move up. And that would then be the level where we have a lot of comfort and confidence that we've already seen a first complete impulse and a correction. But a lot of people don't want to wait for that, and that's fine. A lot of money was or could have been made here, yeah, from the moment on when I made the bullish scenario primary here at around $12,300. We moved up with the NASDAQ around 11.7%, which is fantastic. But this was not the only level we captured. We also captured this little area here as another possible entry point, then the exit point here, and here as another entry point. But I am not convinced yet that the wave 4 is already over. Let me explain why. So let me just let me just do something here. Yeah, so I have to adjust now the target area here for the wave 4. Yeah, this was still based, I think, on the previous video, but since the previous video we went a bit higher or lower. But the real target range for the wave 4 should be between the 38.2% fib level and the 61.8. So also in this we've reached it already, and I'm giving it that possibility because no, it shouldn't go that far actually. Yeah, ideally not. Ideally we want to stay between the 38.2 and the 50% fib level. So I'm currently giving it the possibility to come a bit lower. If we go any lower than 12,550, it is probably not a wave 4 anymore. It is then a wave 2. But primary expectation would be that somewhere in this area here, I mean, possibly we've already done that, we will reverse. Good confirmation that we indeed are going higher would be a break above the 23.6% fib level. And then I have no problems to go into this wave 5 target range. And that would be, we can calculate that as well. I can just take here the calculator. No, let me find the extensions as well, the Fibonacci extensions. I can put it on the chart here actually. To the low of the wave to the 2. So theoretically the wave 5, all it needs to do, by the way, let me take those fibs out because they get a bit in the way, these ones. All the wave 5 really needs to do is to move above the wave 3 high, right? But a key level would be, in my opinion, would start here at the 3.618 extension. So we can put that on the chart. That's how I would see it at the moment, all the way up to the 4.618 extension. So this is an area I'll keep an eye on. So that's quite a bit of a distance from here. And yeah, you know, so the view is currently, as long as we still are, and for that I put the fib retracements on the chart again. As long as we still are below the 23.6% fib level, so below 13,180, and I put that on the chart now. As long as that's the case, I would say there is still downside pressure on the chart. If we break above that, there's a good chance we go higher already in wave 5. However, as we are below this, the view would be that at some point here we turn around and move down into the target range again, possibly all the way down to 12,540, the 50% FIB level. And if we go below that, then we are probably, next view would be that we are in a wave 2 and that we have then a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 pattern. Yeah, no, it would be 1-2, and then all of this would be a 1 and a 2. So we have then 2 1-2 patterns instead of a 1-2-3-4. There wouldn't be a problem. It would in the end be a bit more bullish. However, it wouldn't be ideal, because ideally we want to have that nice impulse done. So hopefully the video was clear what the expectations are. Short term, as long as we are below 13,180, lower prices. As soon as we go above that, we can expect that this correction is already over, but I'll keep you updated here. And yeah, it's getting interesting. One more thing to mention here with the NASDAQ. So yeah, currently expected that we will finish off this correction here, this impulse. At the moment, again, everybody's saying we will crash down. And while that is a possibility, it's not what I primarily expect. I expect here another move up. I think a lot of people will FOMO in when they see that. Then I think we will see quite a strong sell-off that will shake a lot of weak hands out of the market. But when this is complete, the wave 2 here, then I think we see a wave 3 to the upside that should be quite strong. The wave 3 to the upside, an impulse taking us way higher, and that will bring a lot of FOMO in. So from a psychological point of view, I think this will be quite interesting. We can expect a few volatile weeks and months now in the stock market as well. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you liked the update about the NASDAQ. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, yeah, then also check out my main channel, which is called More Crypto Online, and you can find the link for that in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.